What if I told you that one of the world's most terrifying sea monsters is actually real? Meet the giant squid, a mysterious creature that lives in the deep ocean, where sunlight never reaches. For centuries, sailors believed it was just a myth. But in 2004, scientists captured the first photographs of a live giant squid in its natural habitat. These incredible animals can grow up to 13 meters, 43 feet, long, with enormous eyes that help them see in the darkness of the deep sea. Because they live thousands of feet below the surface, humans have rarely seen them alive, and scientists are still learning about their behavior. The giant squid reminds us that Earth's oceans still hide creatures we've barely begun to understand. Backhand index pointing right. Would you dare dive into the deep ocean knowing this creature is down there? Waterwave squid. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Mystic Facts and a story for more unbelievable mysteries.